Hey guys, it is very early Monday morning here in West Virginia and it is 2024. So let me say Happy New Year to all of you watching. And today we're doing a Mopar Monday and we are going to take a look at a 2021 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye from Auto World. This is a new casting that was released, I think, in the last quarter of 2023. It was one that was actually going to be a competitor in the top 10, and it actually was, but he just didn't quite make it. There's a few others that beat it out. The Auto World that I chose was a 70 Kingswood Estate wagon. But this is a very nice looking casting. Eventually, I went to pick up another green light, 19 to like 21 SRT, and take a look at both of them side by side and see who does it better. But anyways, we'll take a look at this one. It's Premium Facts here. This is the first release of our new 2021 Dodge Charger casting. New in 2021, the Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye was the fastest and most powerful mass-produced sedan in the world. Yeah, usually Mopar does a pretty good job at being the fastest in a lot of categories, like the Demon with the quarter mile and such, so that doesn't surprise me. So this is the, let's see, version A. The other one is actually the one that I wanted, but this is the only one I could find at Walmart, and I was actually very happy to find this one. The other one's burgundy or maroon. Looks very good. And I actually bought two of these. I was going to keep one loose and one carded, but I decided just to keep one loose. So if anybody needs one of these, it will be up for grabs. Just let me know in the comments or take a look at my eBay store or my IG page. All the same name, Ron's Muscle Car Diecast. So as you can see, yeah, this is 2023 release 3. So I would say maybe the second to third quarter of 2023. I just found it about 3 weeks ago. So, yeah, things from Auto World don't hit so well around here. I got my Kingswood Estates on eBay. Usually if I want the new releases, like right away, that's where I got to get them because Walmart just does not get them. So yeah, there's a lot of cool cars coming out from Auto World. A lot of them came out right around the middle of November. So the Kingswood Estate, the Dodge Ram, then there was the Toyota Supra. A lot of cool ones. So anyways, guys, we got one of these out of the package already. Let's go ahead and take a look at him. And this is the car here. And they did a great job with the wheels. In my opinion, they look very accurate. Everything's right with the marker lights and such. Love that they actually casted in mirrors on this one. I wish they would have done that on their Challenger, because their Challenger would have been really great if they would have done that. But they just did the corner piece of the window, and it doesn't look so great in my opinion. But it's still not a bad casting, don't get me wrong. But the Charger, since they cast it in the mirrors, it looks fantastic. And as you can see, they did good with the satin black hood, roof insert, and deck lid, and ducktail wing. Nice detail with the tail light tampo. Even though it's painted, it looks pretty good. But as you can see, the silver does look a little bit bland. It should have been a little bit more detailed. And that's one thing that kills their cars sometimes, especially the newer models with the silver and no tampo. I can understand being cheap and trying to get away with no acrylic. That's okay. But you should at least do a tampo. Even Hot Wheels does a tampo on their $1 cars. Because you can see the front headlights, they look kind of tacky. Just being silver. I don't know, it looks like a mainline car that somebody took and tried to detail, in my opinion. So they should have done some kind of tampo. That's the problem with their new models, especially the trucks. The Ford F-150 looks horrible with the silver painted headlights. The casting's beautiful, but it needs some tampo or acrylic. The engine compartment on this thing is absolutely beautiful. It's very detailed with the supercharger and all the other components under the hood with the white inner fenders and then all the black for the radiator and other components. It looks really, really good. Bucket seat interior, very nicely done. As you can see, chassis is also highly detailed, and it is diecast as always. That's another thing I think they should probably try to do, is maybe powder coat or paint these in black instead of leaving them cast iron or die cast, I'm sorry. And that would make it look a little bit more authentic, but it's still not a bad casting. I mean, it's really a nice looking car. As I said, I'd like to park it next to a green light and do a comparison video. But those are my 2 cents on it, guys. Not a bad car to have in your collection, especially for $6. If you can find them at Walmart. Now, eBay, yeah, they're going to tax you about $8 plus your shipping and such. So, don't know about that. But the $6 at Walmart, why not? Pretty good deal, because it is a nice car. But yeah, they really need to do something with their lights. Even, as I said, a Tampa would be fine. But yeah, that silver headlights look horrible. I hope they did a Tampa on the Dodge truck. I have not got a new Dodge truck yet. I've been hesitating to order one because I'm worried about the headlights. So anyways, guys, that is our first Mopar Monday video of 2024, our first video of 2024. I will be back again tomorrow to do a 2 for Tuesday. So we're gonna come into this new year with a lot of videos the first week at least. So we'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.